How to withdraw your money from Charles Schwab. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, launch your preferred browser and search for schwab.com. You'll be redirected to your Charles Schwab account. Make sure that you are logged in into your Charles Schwab account. For that, tap on the login button. From all of the services that it provides, select on schwab.com. You'll be redirected to a login portal of your Charles Schwab. Now in here, you need to log in using your credential, to which enter your login ID, password, and tap on Remember Login ID if it's your personal device. Then choose your start page so that you are automatically logged into the designated page. Once you have successfully logged in into your Charles Schwab account, at the top of the dashboard, select on Move Money, from which choose the option of Online Transfer. Once you are here, now select the account you want to withdraw from your Charles Schwab account, from which you need to select as what you would like to transfer: cash, position, or both position and cash. If it's just cash, you have to enter the cash amount and frequency. Once you review all of the details, including the amount, transfer date, and the designated or recipient account detail, you'll be able to transfer your money successfully. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.